Rafael Paeng Villarreal Nepomuceno, born January 30th, 1957, is a Filipino bowler and coach who is a six-time world bowling champion. He is a World Bowling Hall of Famer and is the first and only bowling athlete to be awarded with the prestigious IOC International Olympic Committee President's Trophy. He was also named International Bowling Athlete of the Millennium by the FIQ Federation Internationale des Quillers in 1999 and was inducted in the Philippine Sports Hall of Fame in 2018. Paeng is the first Filipino bowling athlete to be honored with a commemorative stamp when the Philippine Postal Corporation issued a world-renowned Filipino living legend stamp bearing his image to celebrate the 75th anniversary of the first Philippine stamp on November 13th, 2021. He has won the World Cup of Bowling for times 1976, 1980, 1992, and 1996. 23 Nepomuceno has also won the World's Invitational Tournament in 1984 and the World 10-Pin Masters Championship in 1999. He has been honored by the Guinness World Records for times. His first was as the youngest 10-pin bowling world champion by winning the 1976 Bowling World Cup in Tehran, then for the most wins of the 10-pin bowling World Cup 1976, 1980, 1992, and 1996, and for the most 10-pin bowling titles of 133 and was achieved in Quezon City, Philippines. On the 13th of July 2019, he broke his own record of 118 titles, which was first established in 2007. Nepomuceno is also a USBC Gold Level coach, the only Asian to hold the certification from the United States Bowling Congress. He was named by the Philippine Sports Writers Association the Athlete of the Year in 1999. The Bowler's Journal International picked Paeng as its greatest international bowler in its international edition in September 2004 and also on its November 2013 100-year anniversary issue. Paeng, at 65 years old, rolled his 37th sanctioned perfect 300 game at the 24th Sta Lucia East Bowling Association Open Masters Finals on October 16, 2022. Rafael Paeng Nepomuceno was born on January 30th, 1957, in Quezon City, Philippines. Tio Angel Nepomuceno and Teresa Villarreal. Paeng Nepomuceno's father, Angel, is a bowling coach, while his mother is a former Miss Philippines 1952. He attended La Salle Green Hills for his elementary and high school studies. He studied in Edimson University for his college education. Personal life. Paeng Nepomuceno has been married to Sarah Pinky Paeng since he was 25. They have a son and 2 daughters. Nepomuceno is a physical fitness enthusiast and also participates in runs and lifts weights as cross-training to improve his performance. In bowling, currently he is a professor and a senior lecturer at the University of the Philippines. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.